Hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Instagram recent trending bike reels, which are going viral. First, preview. I'm going to make this tutorial in 2 parts. This is part 1. So first take a screenshot of the video. Now open PhotoRoom app, which you can download from Play Store. Now select your screenshot picture and remove the background. And now save it. Again, back to PhotoRoom application. And separate the bike parts one by one. Now after separating the parts, come to Capcut and add bike remove background. You can use Adobe Firefly to remove object form picture. Adjust it. Now drag the bike parts that we separate in PhotoRoom. Now do what I do. Reassemble the parts. Use keyframes to move it like this. Do same with all parts according to their position. If you are watching the video till here, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. add the background removed bike and adjust it carefully. Add keyframes to move it like this. Use graph as shown. Cut the rest background. It's done. You can add some shake effects to make it even better.